Hi guys, and welcome back to RedStone Productions. Today we are at the Superbooth 2019 in the east side of Berlin. Lots of synth manufacturers showing off their gear, so let's go check it out. This is the end of day one at the Superbooth 2019 here in the east side of Berlin. It was quite a blast. Many synthesizers, many makers. It was a real pleasure to get to meet all of the guys behind the gear. Some really interesting stuff we did. It was to pass by the Genelec Lounge where they were auditioning the 1 series, so the 8331s, 8341s and 8351s, along with the S360. So that was a really rock and roll experience. On top of that, we also passed by the Roger Schultz Audio Lab booth. Some really cool units to highlight are the 500 series new mic pre, specially built for ribbon microphones, and a couple of EQs, back sandal EQs that I'm really big fan of. All in all, a really good day one, and now we're gonna just start enjoying the day. There's plenty of concept playing out, so we're gonna go for one beer or two. I hope you enjoyed.